Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today I will be doing a video about things that I've really liked and enjoyed over a period of a few months, 1 month or even one day. And I do not do this kind of favorites or my likes kind of a video on every month basis because honestly I do not actually accumulate so many products and I cannot test so many products over a period of just 30 days. So that's why I do it kind of yearly. Maybe you will see 3 or 4 videos of this sort. So let's quickly get started. I'm very excited. So in my likes, I have shoes, I have perfume, I have a book, I have many random things as well. So let's quickly get started. The first thing that I want to talk about is this one. Now why I'm talking about this one is that this was a revelation during my exam time when I was actually not in a position to cook a lot of meals, a lot of green veggies, or you know, my intake of food was like actual food like green vegetables and fruits was really less, and I was depending on Top Ramen, I was depending on Maggi, I was depending on pasta to actually, you know, fulfill my tummy without getting actual nutrition. This is such an amazing product, and since then I'm like hooked onto this one. This is Healthwith's Daily Super Green Plus Berries. One serving of green plus berries. It has natural fruits, vegetables and herbs, and there are 10 tablets into this one. Now this is priced at 350 rupees, and if you open the bottle, I think I have a few left and I have kind of stocked up on this one because I just like it, you know. Sometimes I'll tell you the reason why. So there are a lot of, you know, tablets stacked in this one. So this is what the tablet actually looks like. You just put this coin little thingy in a glass of water and it just fizzes, it turns green, and it is delicious. The first time I tried it I was like, no, it is not going to taste good at all because what is this thing? I mean, I had no clue, but when I tried it, not only was it very refreshing, it is so better than soda, it is so better than Pepsi, Coke and all of those kind of things. If it depend on that, forget that, get yourself this because it is highly nutritious first, and second, it just gives you that boost of energy. Second and third, definitely it has a lot of goodness into it. Now when I looked at the price, it is 350 for 10 tablets, so it's like 35 rupees for one, you know, glass of green juice kind of a thing. So this is way more healthier nutrition wise, and it is a really good product, guys. Exam made during the time when there was a break, I was really sleepy. I was sleepy like hell, and I popped one of this in a glass and I just had it, and it was very refreshing, and I felt you know, I felt as if I had just out of a shower. It was very refreshing. One tablet of this one will actually have vitamin B12 as in one glass of milk. It also has vitamin D3. It has folic acid as in 1 cup of broccoli. Then it has iron as in 2 cups of quinoa. And then it has zinc as 2 cups of green pea. And then it has biotin as in 2 cups of almonds. So this is very nutritious. It is like a power-packed tablet. Definitely get this one. Why I trust this one is because I am going on supplements because my intake of nutrition is not that healthy. So this kind of a thing is really good, especially in today's time and age where infection is everywhere. So get yourself this, and I would definitely recommend this because Healthwith is a very good brand. It is under West Coast, and West Coast is actually a WHO certified company. It meets all the ISO standards. If you're concerned, it is a halal product because it is okayed by FSSAI. Apart from that, what I don't remember is it is a plant-based product. It does not have anything animal into it. So if you're vegetarian, you can safely use it. It is gluten-free as well. It is dairy-free, just in case if you're lactose intolerant. It is non-GMO. Then it is sugar-free. It does not have sugar into it. It is also hypoallergenic, and apart from that, it is also GMP certified. This is so amazing, especially if you're traveling, especially if you've not had your breakfast, if you're running low on time, if you're running low on energy. Try this one. I'm going to leave the link of it in the description box below. I'm sure it is on discount everywhere because it is the time of sale. This is one product I'm liking so much and I love it so much. Just keep one of this in your bag all the time. So instead of relying on Coke, Pepsi or anything like that, just pop this one in a glass of water and have it if you're on the go, and you'll feel really kind of nourished and you'll feel very refreshed. Apart from that, this is going to do you good, you know. So yeah, that is one thing I'm really enjoying. Talking about this green little thingy, I want to talk about a perfume which is also green. This is Apple Juice by Zara. Thank you so much for your recommendation. I got this perfume and I am so happy with this perfume. Because of the green color and the name apple juice, I was a little bit apprehensive. I thought because it is green and it is apple, it is going to be citrusy. I'm not a very big fan of citrus fragrances, so I stayed away from this as long as I could. I never even tried it. I am a creature of habit. I don't try new things very much. So when you guys suggested me this, I thought this really needs you know, a try, because a lot of my perfumes comes because of your recommendations and they are my favorite, and I love this. This is so refreshing. It is a youthful, refreshing, amazing fragrance. It is not citrusy at all. If you do not like apple or apple juice or the fragrance, it is a very feminine, it is a very delicate but very fresh and a very juicy kind of a fragrance without having any kind of citrusy into it. It is definitely fruity, but it is also a little bit of floral, but it is also fresh and smells so good. It smells very, very happy. So it is a perfect day fragrance. It is a perfect day fragrance. It definitely slightly smells like apple, I feel like. I'm not really sure, but oh my god, it smells so good. So while the layers are not so distinct, I feel like from the first spritz to the last, it almost smells the same. Does not really last that long, like 2 to 3 hours, but you can always spray. This is for $7.90 from Zara for 100 ml. So this is definitely kind of affordable in my opinion. And I love the fragrance of this one. I mean, not so much of a winter fragrance, but definitely you can wear it during the day in winters as well. Like Dhoop Mein, you can wear it, and Salt Cozy and Perfect. But it is a perfect spring and a summer fragrance. You just cannot go wrong with this fragrance, I feel like. And that's the reason now I know why so many people in this world have been raving about Zara's Apple Juice. It is one fragrance that is also meant for every age group. Everybody can use it. So it is really, really nice fragrance. I love this fragrance a lot and I've been enjoying it so much. I'm spraying it every single day. I ordered 2 of the fragrances on your recommendation. First one is this one, because if I like a perfume, I need to have a backup. And second was a recommendation. So many of you asked me to actually review Zara's from Zara's Tobacco collection, Rich, Warm and Addictive. That is from the men's section. I just ordered it. Actually, I ordered it before as well. I loved it so much, but somebody came to my house and they loved it so much, so I said, okay, fine, you take it. So I had to order it again because I loved it so much and I wanted to have it in my collection. So when I receive it, I'm going to review it for you. So this is Apple Juice, my second most liked or a favorite thing of mine. Next up, I have a face wash that I want to talk about, and trust me guys, this video is not sponsored at all. This is Vow's Upton face wash, and this has this kind of a brush. I'm not going to talk very much in detail about this face wash because I've already done a video of this one, but this was such a revelation. If you guys know, a lot of things do not suit me. I just, you know, kind of break out with every product, but this is a very good product, and now I understand why all this raving is all about. This is very, very good, you know, especially if you have a sensitive skin. This does not harm your skin at all. Plus it just cleans your skin really nicely. I love this brush over here because it is silicone, and you know, even if you have sensitive skin, this is not harsh, so it's not going to rub or harm your skin or, you know, tear the skin in any way. I use it twice a day and it is working so good. It just cleans my skin so well. I love this product. I've already bought a backup. It's not over here, but you'll see in one of my hauls. I simply love this face wash. This is for $399, but I'm sure this is on discount everywhere. This is almost khali, you know, and the way the bottle is pretty intriguing. It also comes with a cap, but I don't use the cap part because I have to use it so often, so it's kind of annoying to take it out every day. So just pump out the product, just apply it wherever you want to, and then just scrub it off and then wash your face and you're done. And it's so refreshing. And just then you know, rinse this cap and keep it back, because this is silicone. It doesn't actually attract any kind of mold or fungus. Love this product to bits. Next up, I want to talk about 2 loose powders. Now we all know that you know, a Fit Me loose powder is one of the best loose powders that we have discovered in the affordable range. So I use shade 15, which is light / legger. This is amazing to set your makeup, or even if you want to just dust your face in order to remove any kind of, you know, oil, kind of that, you know. So this is a good powder. Now I also have this loose powder, which is Innisfree. This is a translucent powder, while this is not. So this is Innisfree Best Friend Forever No Sebum Mineral Powder, and this is a white color powder. This is not. This is a white color powder. If you touch it, it feels like air. It does not feel like anything. The texture is very, 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 very soft, and it like kind of slips. It just slips in your hands and fingers, I don't think it really absorbs into the skin, but it absorbs everything sebum, everything oily, and it is really good. All that I've been doing these days is that, you know, there's this powder over here. I just mix this powder, the translucent powder, along with the powder, Maybelline powder, just, you know, give it a little bit of a swirl and then apply it. So not only do I get the brightness from Maybelline's powder under my eyes and in all that zone, but this white thing absorbs everything. I'm oily by nature, my skin is oily by nature, so this kind of keeps my makeup last a pretty long time, and I like the effect of these two together as to using these products separately. So that is one thing I'm really enjoying. So next up, I want to talk about two lipsticks. Not many lipsticks I try in 2-3 months. Honestly, I don't do so many lipstick videos because I don't try so many lipsticks, and I got this one. I was in a mall and I was just walking by a Chambord outlet and I came across this one. Really liked it. This is for 900 something. This is called as Orosa Matte Perfection. It came in a box, but I don't have the box. This is the shade is 933 Tea Rose, and this was for around 900 rupees. This is what the lipstick actually looks like. It's a very beautiful rosy but mauvey pink color. This is almost like Max Meher, but it applies semi-satin but kind of dries as semi-matte, and also is long lasting if you do not eat oily stuff all the time. And the application is perfect, you know, you just need to have one swipe and you get the complete full color payoff. And of course the packaging looks really nice. The packaging is definitely plastic. It is a rose gold packaging and it closes with a click. It has never opened in my bag ever, and I always carry this lipstick in my bag, so I simply love it if you want such a color, and I've been using this one a lot lately. Next lipstick that I would not have tried if it was not sent to me. So this was sent by NYX, and this is NYX Lingerie Push Up. Now this is meant to make your lips fuller, and this is in the shade Seduction, and this is a very beautiful brown orangish color. I mean, the shade is exactly like the cap. If you apply it, you will feel a little bit of a tingling sensation. I think that is what you feel when you use any lip plumping product. But I do not. I'm actually wearing this product, and I'm wearing Maybelline lip balm underneath the lipstick. So I don't actually see any difference in terms of making the lips plump. I'm not sure about that, but the color is really beautiful. It applies really nicely. I mean, it just glides on and it stays there, and it is a matte lipstick, like slightly satin, not satin at all actually. It's a matte lipstick, and I do not like matte lipsticks, but I simply love the formula of this one. I would highly recommend this. This is one of the best lipsticks that I've tried so far. I'm not sure how much this is priced at, but this is amazing. So this is what it looks like. There's a lot of product inside of it, and there's you twist it from top, and this is the amount of product. Obviously don't take out the entire thing, otherwise it'll break. But yeah, this is a really nice lipstick. Love the color. Next up, I want to talk about some pens. So I love pens. If I get really, whenever I feel demotivated, and whenever I'm feeling as if I don't want to study, I can't study, it's so boring, I give myself a new pen, and I feel like, oh my god, I have to write so much, I have to study so much. So I came across this pen. This is Uniball's Technology That Writes. This is made in Japan. This is by Mitsubishi Pencil, and the pen is called as, I don't know what it is called, but it is designed like a rocket, I feel like. So these are expensive pens. I think 70 rupees for one pen. The packaging, I mean, this is for okay, a set of 4 pens will cost you rupees 240, I think, always on a discount. So this was a set of 4 pens. I got a set of these pens, like, which is blue in color, and this is what it looks like. This is a normal pen that I got, and I simply loved it because first of all, it looks really good. Second of all, when you open it, there is no distinction in the nib part, so it looks like, wow, such a high technology when you're writing. It writes very smooth, and it is also waterproof. I love this pen so much. So when I came across these colored ones, these are not colored, only the body is colored, but the ink is blue. When I saw these, I was like, oh my god, these are colorful, and this is just simple boring blue one. I did not like it that much. I did not like the finishing aspect of these colored ones. I really like the blue ones. So when I'm done with this colored ones, next when I'm buying these pens, I'll be buying these blue. And these are so good if you want to motivate yourself with some really nice but functional stationery. Go ahead, try this pen out. And if you've tried it, just let me know. Also, if you have any pen recommendation, let me know. Next up, I want to talk about a sleeve or a cover for iPad. So if you own an iPad Air 2 or something that is 9.7 inches and needs a little bit of a protection, I like this. I have been hunting for a cover. I don't go out that much, so I did go out once and I tried buying, but I didn't like, you know, the covers that were available for iPads. I came across this one on Flipkart actually, and this is for I think 890 rupees or something, and they had a lot of cute prints there. But what I really like is the, you know, durability aspect of this cover. It has really cute bear or puppies or whatever. It is so cute, and the back looks like this. But the back also has you know, a silicone cover, and this is what the side of it looks like. If you want to make it as a stand, you just, you know, kind of bring the screen forward, and this is going to stay put like this. So this is what it looks like. It is a really nice cover. So I use my iPad to edit all the videos that you see. So I do not use any kind of fancy, you know, editing software. I just use the Mac. No, I just use the iMovie, which is on my iPad, which is very limited editing. I mean, editing meaning when I go wrong, when I'm saying hi and it goes wrong, I just chop that off, and that's about it. You can't do a lot in that. I'm still like not really advanced when it comes to technology for creating YouTube videos, but thank you so much for still being there, you know. So I needed a cover for this one, so yeah. So this is what I'm really loving. Moving on to something that I want to talk about. This video is getting very long. I want to talk about this bag. This bag is not very old, but I've used it enough because I've been using only this bag since the time I got it. I got it from Myntra during a sale. This is a bag by Accessorize London, and this is a taupe color bag. This is what it looks like at the back, and the chain is like this. So it is a gold hardware. There's a weaving of the fabric of the material of the bag as well in the chain, and it is not adjustable. It has a loop twist closure. You just open it, and the space is very limited. I have some cash over here, and you can put your cards or anything over here. And I wanted a very small bag. It is almost like a wallet on chain, but slightly a little bigger than that because it also fits in my keys, my chunky house keys, and a phone, some cash, one lipstick, and I think one hand sanitizer, one face mask. All the essentials that I need, this one holds very well. So I really like it. It's very sturdy. Next up, I want to talk about a jeans. A lot of you did ask me. I got many DMs when I did my Ajio jeans ka video, and so many of you had queries concerning the originality or the authenticity of the brand of Levi's. So I went to the store also to check the actual product. Trust me guys, everything that Ajio sells of this brand Levi's, or I think any brand, is very, very authentic, and Levi's or Ajio is not paying me to say this. I got this jeans and one of you said, Sana, please tell me the fit of it. I'm going to show you the fit. This is a high-rise jeans. This is called as Mile High Super Skinny Jeans. I was never a fan of high-rise jeans since the time I got it. I thought that high-rise jeans actually makes your belly looks even more prominent than it actually is. So I was always a fan of mid-rise, but I think this one really changed the game, and it was very affordable after the discount. This is what it looks like. It might have some stain marks as well because I've been using it. No, I've been wearing it a lot lately. I mean, this is the only thing that I've been wearing, and this is my favorite jean so far. So even though I have so many jeans, this is the one that I'm reaching out for every single day. I wish they had more colors, or the colors were in stock. This is, I think, out of stock right now, but it fits so well. If you were to buy it on MRP, you had to shell out around 46 or 4700 rupees, which honestly I can't pay. I cannot afford such a, you know, expensive jeans. So I think I paid around 18 or 1900 for this one. Still expensive, but not so much when you talk about the fact that it is from Levi's, and second, that you're going to have a lot of wear out of this. So this is a really, really nice jeans, guys, and try Ajio. I think Ajio gives the best deals when you just go ahead and click the coupon part. So after applying the coupon, everything becomes really nice. Very affordable actually. The last thing that I want to talk about are these shoes. This is by Lavi. No, two shoes actually. The first one is this one. These are loafers by Lavi. This is my first time buying any shoes from Lavi. I know that's really kind of it's dirty from outside, so I'm just keeping a little away. I'm really liking these shoes. They have so many colors in this one. There's black, beige, peach, grey of course. This is originally for 2099 rupees, 3000 ka, but I got it for 1000 rupees, and it's so lightweight. This is what it looks like from the side. It has slight bit of, I think, 0.9 or 1 inch of heel, and the inside part is very cushiony. Now I feel like I'm at that age where I want anything very soft and comfortable. I think I'm done with heels. I will wear heels for occasions, but I cannot wear heels every single day. So I want to go with something like this, which are loafers, very comfortable, and you can wear it with every single thing. I love these so much, would definitely recommend, and I've ordered I think 2 more colors in this one, but I really recommend it. I love the footbed. It is a very comfortable shoe, so definitely my favorite. Next up, I ordered these shoes from Zara, and this is like 3-4 months back, so this is genuinely like my favorite shoes, and I got them on a sale for around 2000 rupees. I'm gonna show you these. This is what it looks like. So these are beige shoes, and these are lace shoes, and this is what it looks like on the side. Back of the shoes looks slightly shiny with this rose gold thing over here, and the heels are this much. So it's a very comfortable shoes. You can find these shoes in their trainers section. If I find the exact same shoes, I will definitely put a link of it, but if I don't find the exact same shoes, I'll try and find something similar and leave a link of it in the description box below. Zara shoes are sometimes kind of a hit and miss, but I think I really like this. It's very comfortable, and always go a size down in their trainers. Generally I'm size 5. I went for EU 37 or size 4 in Zara shoes. Always go a size down. Yeah, so guys, that would be it in this video of mine. I wanted to include a lot of things, but then the video is going to be really long. I really hope that you find this video useful. If you did, then do not forget to hit that like button. If you like my content, you can also be subscribed to my channel. Let me know your favorite thing from my favorites, and also leave a list of your favorites if you wish to. I would definitely love to have a look at your favorites so that I can try a lot of things, because it is a two-way game. I love your favorites. You guys have an amazing taste, so thank you so much for sticking through with me. Thank you so much for watching this video if you're watching up till now, and I'm going to see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself, and I love you all so much. Bye guys. Bye.